Hello everyone, good to see you. Here I am inside your TV screen. We're going to try something different this afternoon, which is us having a celebration assembly just in here, just us. So if you want to watch this while you do some colouring, or you want to watch it while you have a think, or you want to just watch it, that's absolutely fine. We're going to begin with a song. This song is called I'm Special. It goes like this. I'm special because God has loved me, for He gave the best thing that He had to save me. His own Son Jesus crucified to take the blame for all the bad things I have done. Thank you, Lord, for loving me so much. I know I don't deserve anything. Help me feel your love right now, to know deep in my heart that I'm your special friend. Let's do it again. I'm special because God has loved me, for He gave the best thing that He had to save me. His own Son Jesus crucified to take the blame for all the bad things I have done. Thank you, Jesus, thank you, Lord, for loving me so much. I know I don't deserve anything. Help me feel your love right now, to know deep in my heart that I'm your special friend. The good thing about having that on video is you can rewind it, reverse it, and sing it again. Now the reason I'm leaning down here is because I've got something to show you. This assembly today is all about the idea of hope. It's difficult, isn't it? What is hope? What do you hope for? Well, I ordered some hope and it came in a box like this. And I know it's hope because it's got hope written on it, like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to unwrap this. I've not unwrapped it yet. I don't know what's inside it. Apparently it's hope, but it could. I'll have a look in a minute. As we unwrap it, let's see what we think hope looks like. I'm going to take the lid off. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. There's lots of things in this box, and all of them have got something to do with hope, apparently. This is the first one. Oh, it's a bear. Doesn't smell like hope, doesn't look like hope, but I wonder how a bear can show hope. What do we do with them? Give them a cuddle, don't we? And it feels nice. So maybe the bears like hope because when we need comforting, we need to remember that there's always hope. And the hope and the promise of hope, the promise of God's hope, can comfort us. Isn't that right? That was quite nice to do that. You might want to find something soft and give it a squeeze and give it a hold. Let's have a look. We'll put Bear down there and then we'll see what else is in the box. Goodness me. It's a stone. Can you see that? It's a stone. It's a round stone. It looks a little bit like a mini moon, doesn't it? You can see it in this. It's not quite round enough. It's hard. It's hard and it's soft. How can a stone be like hope? Well, this stone is very old, I think. How old do you think this stone is? It's probably older than that. This stone has been around for years and years and years and years, and will be around for years and years and years and years. And that's a little bit like hope, I suppose, isn't it? Hope has been around for a long time, and God's hope keeps us moving forward into the future. Okay, let's put the stone down there with the bear. There's one more thing in here. Can you see what that is? It's a candle. Let's turn the candle on. There we go. See how that shines? How is that candle like hope, do you think? Do you know the thing about this candle is, you could put this candle in any darkness and the candle would stay lit. There is no darkness that's big enough and strong enough to put the candle out. How's that like hope? Well, I suppose there are times, aren't there, where we all feel down and in the dark. And this candle is like hope, because even when we're in the darkest of situations, there's always a glimmer of hope. I tell you what, let me put this all back in this box, because we can sing a song about hope, and I've got my guitar. Hang on, just get it. Okay, let's see. I've got hope, 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 hope down in my heart, down in my heart, down in my heart. I've got the hope, 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 hope down in my heart to stay. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got the hope of Jesus in my heart. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got the hope of Jesus in my heart. Let's try it again. I've got this hope, 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 hope down in my heart, down in my heart, down in my heart. I've got this hope, 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 hope down in my heart to stay. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got the hope of Jesus in my heart. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got the hope of Jesus in my heart. So that hope that's in your heart from Jesus will be there forever. And that can keep us going long after this afternoon is finished, and long after the weekend is finished, and long after next week is finished too, which incidentally is your half term. I hope you have a brilliant rest. Now, after you've paused this and finished this, you've got a choice. You can either watch it all over again if you want, or you can carry on with your colouring, or carry on with your making, or I've put a video at the end, and you can click on that and see what that video says about hope. See you in a bit.